23rd question. If the cost of each ticket of Delhi and Ahmedabad is rupees 190 and rupees 250 respectively, then find the total amount collected for the tickets sold for Delhi and Ahmedabad. Cost of one ticket for Delhi is equal to 190 rupees. Number of tickets sold for Delhi is equal to 160. Cost of 160 tickets of Delhi is equal to 160 into 190. So if we multiply these two, we get the answer in a regular manner. 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 6, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 9 zeros are 0, 9 6 are 54. 9 ones are 9, 9 plus 5, 14. 1 0 is 0, 1 6 is 6, 1 5, 1 1 are 1. So we got as 0, 0, 4, 10, 1 carry. So 30,400. Cost of one ticket for Ahmedabad is equal to 250 rupees. Number of tickets sold for Ahmedabad is equal to 180. Cost of 180 tickets for Ahmedabad is equal to 180 into 250. Let's multiply. 250 into 180 is equal to 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 5 is 0. 0 into 2 is 0. 8 into 0, 0. 8 5 is 40. 4 carry 0. 8 2 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 1 0 is 0. 1 5 is 5. 1 2 is 2. 0 0 0 5 4. 45,000. So total amount collected for the tickets sold for Delhi and Ahmedabad. So we need to add these two. So let's add over here 3,400. Then it's 0 0 4 5 7. 75,400 is the answer. Option B is the right answer, children. 24th question. The largest 4-digit and smallest 4-digit numbers formed by using the digits 4, 0, 3, 7, each digit used only once respectively are dash. So these are the digits given. 4, 0, 3, 7. Largest 4-digit number is nothing but numbers to be arranged in the descending order. First comes 7, followed by 4, then 3, then 0. Then smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number is equal to number to be arranged in the ascending order, but 0 must not be the first. If we write 0 in the front, it becomes 3-digit number. So let's write the smallest number followed by 0, then 4, then 7. So largest 4-digit number is equal to 7,430. Smallest 4-digit number is equal to 3,047. So option D is the right answer, children. 25th question. Find the perimeter of the shaded part of the given figure. This is the given figure and few squares are shaded, few are unshaded. So we have to find out the perimeter of the shaded part. So let's count the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So number of sides, total number of sides is equal to 50. So side of a square is equal to 3 centimeters. So perimeter is equal to total number of sides into side of a square. So 50 into 3 is equal to 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 5 is 15. So 150 centimeters is the answer. So option A is the right answer, children. Now 26th question, what type of angle is formed by the hands of the given clock? So we have to find out which angle it is. So this is 90, this is 180, this becomes 270, and this becomes 360. So it is more than 180 but less than 360. So the answer will be reflex angle. So let me explain you what is acute angle. Acute angle is equal to less than 90 degrees. Obtuse angle is equal to greater than 90 degrees, less than 180 degrees. Straight angle is equal to exactly 180 180 degrees. So reflex angle is equal to greater than 180 degrees, less than 360 degrees. So option C is the right answer, children. 27th question. On a bookshelf, books with green cover and that with brown cover are in the ratio 2:7. If there are 56 books with brown cover, then find the number of books with green cover. So first is books with the ratio of books with green cover and books with brown cover is equal to 2/7. So books with green cover is not given. So let's think it as X. Books with brown cover is given 56 equal to 2/7. So let's multiply, cross multiplication. 7x is equal to 2 into 56. X equal to 2 into 56 divided by 7. So 7 ones are 7 eights are 56. So we got x as 2 into 8 is equal to 16. So number of books with green cover we got as 16. Find the number of books with green cover. So we got the answer. Option C is the right answer, children. 29th question. How many more squares must be unshaded so that the given figure has 0.25 as shaded decimal part? How many total number of squares are there? So let's count number of columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number of columns are 7. Let's count number of rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 28. So total number of squares is equal to 28. Total number of shaded squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So total number of shaded squares equal to 15. So how many more squares must be unshaded so that the given figure has 0.25 shaded decimal part? So shaded decimal part is equal to 0.25. Required shaded fraction (25 divided by 100). So 0.25 can be written as 25 divided by 100. It's nothing but 25 ones, 25 fourths. So we got as 1 by 4th. So required shaded fraction is equal to 1 by 4. Total number of squares to be shaded is equal to 1 by 4 into 28. 4 ones are 4 sevens. So we know the total number of shaded squares as 15. So number of more squares to be unshaded is equal to 15 minus 7 equal to 8 children. So option B is the right answer, children.